everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna try something new. Well, it's not something new, but this is something fun for us because we've never done this as a couple before. What I'm talking about are tattoo stickers! Yay! So tattoo stickers have been around for a long time. I started playing with tattoo stickers as early as 3rd grade. Nagagalit kayong mommy ko sa akin kasi bigla lala ako uwi ng bahay. Meron akong 3 ulo ng wolf sa legs ko.
Actually, hindi pa sila nag-uusap ng mom niya kasi may bago siyang tattoo.
That's a different story that I will tell you about in another video. But for today, we're gonna teach you how to use stick-on tattoos. Number 1, you have to tell your parents. Natry ko dati, galit na galit yung mommy ko kasi nga, nagulat siya. Mayroon akong malaking tattoo sa leg ko na 3 ulo ng wolves. So, that's one. I mean, I know it's not a real tattoo, but just do it.
If you live under your parents' roof,
yeah.
tell them.
Yep. Number 2, you have to make sure that you're not allergic to these tattoos. How would you know that? Siguro kahit na malaki yung design, even if you have a big print, just cut out a little bit of that and then try it on a part of your body that's hidden. So at least if you have an allergic reaction, it's not a place where people can see. And syempre, you have to make sure that you're ready with the ointments and alerta or whatever. Number 3, you have to make sure you have a clean surface. Do not put lotion, do not put any kind of ointment, do not put any kind of lube on your skin para hindi dumulas yung product. And if you have hairy hands, or if the area where you want to put the tattoo sticker is hairy, then you might want to shave that off. The material is not gonna stick properly kasi dun siya kakabit sa hair strands mo. I mean, it's the same idea as when you get a real tattoo. They actually shave off parts of it. I'm gonna put tattoos on myself and on JM para makita niyo ng maayos. Next, you have to make sure you have a bowl of water and a sponge. But of course, when I was younger, I didn't have to have a bowl of water and a sponge. I just stuck it on my arm, tapos talagang tubig lang, ganun. If you want to do this properly, this is how you do it. So we're gonna start with JM's arm, and as you can see, he's very manly and hairy. So we need to shave this off. And here is JM's arm na shaved, so
Hair?
yeah.
No hair.
Grabe yung difference, no? I made a video about dermaplaning, which means just shaving the hair off your face. I'll put it in the description box below. So tingnan mo yung difference. So if you're interested kung ano benefits when you do dermaplaning, I'll put the link in my description box below. This is the tattoo that he mistakenly bought, by the way.
Yeah.
Iba yung pinili naming design for JM, but the lady just decided for us. And she put this in the plastic. Kasalanan namin, we didn't check, so.
It's a dragon. That's
yeah. How much did we get this for? 120 pesos. So the larger ones are 120 pesos. The smaller ones parang 60 pesos ata.
Yeah, if you get the real thing, it's about 50 to 100 grand. So.
Yeah. So this is 60 pesos. This is 120. Meron siyang film. We're gonna remove the plastic. You have the option of cutting it in half para sure ka na you'll put it on your arm correctly. It's up to you. If you're scared na hindi nyo mapapantay, you can cut it however you want and then just put it na parang magpapuzzle ka. You have to cut the outline and then we'll quickly cut. So it's better to cut it with the film muna para you're safe. Now that we've finally cut out the actual tattoo, we stick it. Next step is to kind of feel how the tattoo is gonna stick on your skin. And this is the challenge, right? Kung buong buo kasi siya, may tendency na maglilift yung ibang areas ng paper. We decided to cut just to be safe. And then we just let it stick on the skin. We just massage it and gently peel.
Wait lang,
How cool! I have one part down.
I'm good. I'm done. Yeah. Check out my new tattoo. I don't need no baby oil no more.
Next part.
After, we're gonna watch a movie.
Yeah. Remove the film. Again. Again. Same process. Ito yung mahirap na part. This is the tricky part. Yung may mga folds. Like elbows. So in cases wherein hindi pa masyadong umaangat, just go through it again with a sponge. Yay! So cool. And so this is how it looks. This is what happens when you don't shave hair. Parang nagkakaroon siya ng texture doon. So what you want to do is you just want to smooth that out. Naman, I'm gonna do both arms. I think this one I'll put on my right arm.
Why did we shave this part? Look, wrong side.
And then maybe this on the left side.
You know the very first tattoo that we had? Yeah, no.
It's our engagement tattoos.
Yeah.
His name and my name on his hand, malamang.
There. So, here's the story. Nauna siya pala, sorry. Nauna siya. Tapos, so I was there. I was holding her hand, you know, making sure she's okay. When it was my turn, tumayo, umalis, uminom. Kasama yung mga friends niya. I'm like,
mga friends?
Wow.
You mean our friends?
Yeah.
Removing the plastic now.
See, the paper's supposed to fall off it. That's a thing.
Oh my
gosh,
god, it's so cool.
I'm so good.
Oh my god! I want to have a full sleeve. Joke lang, I can't. My mom's gonna kill me. Alam mo yung tattoo ko na Stay Weird, tsaka si Mishka, tampon-tampo yung mommy ko. Ooh, it's so pretty! There's no pain at all. If you want painless tattoos, sticker tattoos are the way to go. I love it.
Wait lang, may bubbles.
Grabe, you know how long and how painful a full sleeve is?
Let me see.
Not even done in one session.
Oh my gosh, it looks so hot.
Check out my tattoo. I just want a little bit of a contrast. So, since very dark yung hair ko ngayon, I'll put this rose here.
Yung mga mulki. It's like seriously stretch.
Ito mo, mukha ko lang may collar. And that is it for this video! How do you like our tattoos?
It's cool, because I made them.
Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng kulay, sobra!
Are you gonna fist bump me?
Yes! Pound it! Ang ganda! Madali lang magtanggal ng stick-on tattoos. Just use baby oil or alcohol if you want.
It's gonna take a week.
Yeah. If you don't scrub it on the daily, pwede siya mag-last hanggang 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the aftercare.
I guess that's money well spent, right?
Yeah. 120 pesos tapos ito 40 pesos lang. Ay, 60, sorry. I'm actually planning to do my tattoo story video. I have actual tattoos. I have real ones here, 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 and also there. So if you have any questions about how to get a tattoo, when to get it, where to get it, things,
you know, people.
Yeah, things you have to prepare or aftercare, let me know. Leave your comments below and I swear I will answer all of your questions in the next video, which I'm planning to do, yung my tattoo story. Thank you so much for watching and you stay
weird.